Hi students, a warm welcome to KSN classes. Today I will discuss a few problems on matrices, which is also one of the important topics of IIT JEE. You will definitely find one question at least in mains as well as advanced also. Now I will discuss the first question. If A is a square matrix of order 2 such that A into column matrix 1 minus 1 is equal to column matrix minus 1 comma 2 and A square into column matrix 1 comma 1 minus 1 is equal to column matrix 1 0, the sum of the elements and product of the elements of A are S and P, then S plus P equal to. Now let us consider the solution. A is square matrix of order 2. A 2 by 2 matrix kabatti A is equal to A, B, C, D అని తీసుకుందాం. Let A is equal to ABC. Given A into A, B, C, D into 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 comma 2. To multiply A minus B. First row into first column. A minus B. C minus D. C minus D is equal to minus 1 2, implies A minus B is equal to minus 1, C minus D is equal to 2. You can take these two equations. It is also given that A square into 1 minus 1 equal to 1 comma 0. A square into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 comma 1 0. దీని ఇలా రాద్దాం. A into 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 0. ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ నుండి A into 1 minus 1 అంటే minus 1 comma 2. So this is A into 1 minus 1 2 is equal to 1 0. ఇక్కడ A బదులు A, B, C, D అని తీసుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ని మైనస్ A ప్లస్ 2B మైనస్ C ప్లస్ 2D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 0. అంటే మైనస్ A ప్లస్ 2B ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 మైనస్ C ప్లస్ 2D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇప్పుడు ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం. A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B మైనస్ 1 ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. A ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు B మైనస్ 1 మైనస్ ఆఫ్ B మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ 2B ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఇది మైనస్ B ప్లస్ 2B అంటే B, ఇది ప్లస్ 1 అంటే B ఈక్వల్ టు 0. B ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే A ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ 1. ఇక్కడ C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు D ప్లస్ 2. ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం. మైనస్ D మైనస్ 2 ప్లస్ 2D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అంటే D ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 అంటే C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 4. ఇప్పుడు S అంటే సమ్ ఆఫ్ ది ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఆఫ్ A అన్నాడు. అంటే S ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు A ప్లస్ B ప్లస్ C ప్లస్ D. A ప్లస్ B ప్లస్ C ప్లస్ D మైనస్ 1 ప్లస్ 0 ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ 4 అంటే 5. P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ప్రోడక్ట్ అన్నాడు. A B C D 0 ఒకటి 0 ఉంది కాబట్టి 0. ఇప్పుడు S ప్లస్ P ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5 ప్లస్ 0 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 5. Therefore, our answer is the fourth option. Our second problem is A is equal to matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 2 by 2 matrix, and determinant of A power n minus I is equal to 1 minus lambda power n belongs to n, and I is a identity matrix. Then the value of lambda is. Now we will take the solution. A is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. I'll consider A square. అంటే A into A. అంటే 1, 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. If you look into here, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 1, 2. This can be written as 2A. 2 into 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 can be taken out. 2 can be taken as common. 1, 1, 1, 1. That is A. Now I'll find out A cube. A cube is A square into A. That is equal to A square into A. You can multiply this 2, 2, 2, 2 with 2, 2 with 1, 1, 1, 1. This is 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. You can take common 4 and this is 4 into 1, 1, 1, 1, A. Otherwise also you can do one thing. A cube is equal to A square into A. A square is 2A. 2A into A. That is 2A square. That means it can also be done like this. A cube is equal to, or A cube is equal to A square into A is equal to 2A into A. That is equal to 2A square. 2 into A square is once again 2A. That is 4A. So you can write like this also. This 4A can be written as 2 square A. So A square is 2A. A cube is 2 square A. That means A can be written as 2 power 0 into A. A square is 2A. A cube is 2 square A. By proceeding like this, A to the power of n is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1 into A. 2 to the power of n minus 1 into A. That is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1 into 1, 1, 1, 1. And that is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1. Now, A power n minus I, that is equal to 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1. The I's identity matrix is 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 1. The corresponding elements must be subtracted. 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. 2 to the power of n minus 1. 2 to the power of n minus 1. 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. Now det A power n minus I. Det A power n minus I is equal to determinant of 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1, 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1. This is nothing but 2 to the power of n minus 1 minus 1 whole square minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. 2 to the power of n minus 1 whole square minus 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 plus 1 minus 2 to the power of n minus 1 whole square. These two terms gets cancelled and this is 1 minus 2 to the power of n. So det a power n minus I is equal to 1 minus 2 power n. Given det a power n minus I is equal to 1 minus lambda power n. It implies 1 minus lambda power n is equal to 1 minus 2 power n implies lambda is equal to 2. Therefore our option is second, 2.